Welcome back to another tutorial. This one will be really short. In a previous tutorial I showed you how to extract elevation data from XYZ files to use with CMAutoEditor. A different but very common way to encode elevation data is by using Geotiffs, where the elevation is stored as a grayscale value. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert those Geotiffs to XYZ files so they can be used in the same way as XYZ data. Okay, for that we need QGIS. And if you followed my previous tutorial, you already installed it. And if not, just Google it and it's really easy to find and install. For this tutorial, we are using elevation data from Belgium, and we'll load the Geotiff file first, and we do that by selecting layer, add a raster layer, choose source type file, and select the correct Geotiff image. That's this one. I've already pre-selected it, and you click add. So as I've already pointed out once in a previous tutorial, the nifty thing about Geotiffs is that they know where on the globe they are and already have a CRS coming with them. And so we have this EPSG code here already selected, and it's a special Belgian one, Belgian Lambert 2008. And yeah, so that's basically the data. You can see the elevation is here encoded in a grayscale value, right? Now, first thing we are going to do in order to convert this is we select a smaller region, because while in principle we could convert the whole of Belgium, this is going to be stored in a single file, and this file would be huge. And I mean, for a combat mission map, we are not interested in that much data anyway. So let's just zoom in to a region of interest. Let's just randomly choose this one. Yeah, and then first of all, we are going to take a look at raster, extraction, and clip raster by extend. So this means basically we are going to make a new image that just has the size of this image we have on the screen, so the zoomed in area. Okay, so we choose input layer, clip extend. We select here use current map canvas extend. Anything else? Oh, nope. Just hit run and that's it. So, and we can deselect this one here already. So, and that's the clipped image. If you zoom out, you can see it's only the very small image here. Okay, next thing. The Belgian elevation data is 20 by 20 meters, and for use with CMAutoEditor, we need to resample this data to 1 by 1 meter. That's also easy to do. Let's go to raster projections warp reproject and use input layer. This one, source CRS, we are using the one that's already set, and target CRS the same one. You could, by the way, use this selection here in case you have to reproject the data anyway. So say the data is in latitude, longitude, and you wanted to have it in meters, then you can use this here. Okay, now we want to set the resolution in a different way. So target resolution in target georeferenced units. We set this to 1, so 1 meter. And we need a resampling method. So that's just the way how the in-between values are calculated. So how the 1 meter resolution is interpolated from the 20 by 20 meter resolution. You can choose whatever you like. Let's use here a cubic spline, and then you just click run, and we are done here. Close. You can see this is a lot smoother, if not sharper, but okay. By resampling, you can't generate any new data, obviously. Okay, and this is our reprojected image here. So we can deselect that one. It's still the small extract here. And last but not least, we are going to convert this image into XYZ data. And for that, we go to raster, conversion, translate. And we can leave that as it is. And we choose this entry, convert it, and save to file. And we choose XYZ here. We could use any different format, but we want to have it in XYZ, obviously. So let's just call it whatever, Geotiff to XYZ test. And we press save and click run. And that takes a bit of time. So we're getting the information here. This is 5080 by 3780 entries, I guess. Anyway, let's take a quick look. Yeah, and you can see here it's not entirely done processing, but you can see the file size already. So that's 700 megabytes. Quite large, so maybe when you do it yourself, you want to choose a smaller size here. That is reduce the size of the image. But anyway, so it works like that. So we are done. Close and yeah. Sadly, it doesn't show this here. Anyway, that's basically it. So if you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, whatever, and I see you in the next video, I guess.